Kawai ke samla kala sya peniap halau jong ba menta kesengi hakasnong paham sim kebadai hadin beki ladon ke jingye dei kebalasan bana menta badia kani layat hu du he pulit ke riboy bad ki pajba ki sakhi ya kani ke jing sya peniap ke samla kebadai hadin lalap ya kamet jongka kebala sya peniap huti runar ubala petno hadin beladung bat od yu rendang joka hakati jaka paham sim kani ke jingja kala jam menta kesengi hakapor khawi beje menstep hakasnong paham sim hakabla keno buti runar ubadon ke jingye dei bakati ke samla ulanur ben peniap yaka dak badung dak tari bad ot na rendang hadu bakati ke samla kala du senan laka jingim klampat dipor habai kiran bu he pulet kriboy ugiri prasad ulai thu baki bor pulet la yo in gijingte pakapor khawi bije menstep bala pentep de kinong ilam snong halor kete gijingja bad nak liang pulet ru kila hiar mardor syakate jaka nak benta ban penlong gijing tokit handai hadiam bala poy kete jaka lalap bakati ke samla kala thia ya pahamadan halor kini gijingja dak jing sim khia bor pulet baru dak jingi trailang ki bor snong tang hadiang katu kani port la yo ban kemno yu te runar pada kaliang ki pulit ke register case persya yu ni runar halor jingdon kiti ban peniam yakni samla ong ti he pulit ke riboy shushu ulai thoru baka jing tokit halor kani jingja kadang ya syakmat badia menta ki bor pulit kim panla ban ai ya kadau terrai ke bau te runar ulalej ban peniap yakni samla ke buladon jingedai menta la kombasan banai kibor pulit ke riboy la penti kinaru bu te runar ungat bet kat kum ke kenon jong ka an bana kalian kibor pulit ru kin shim khia ya kani ka kam khnang bu kum kini ki jat thombor persha ki kin thai khna kanum jashu kum kani ka samla kala du la ka jingim ula banrap
Around 11:45 a.m. today, Nongpo police station received information from the headman of Wamsiam, Nongpo, that one dead body of a female is lying around in the road. So as per information, our staff along with officers immediately rushed to the point, and then after preliminary inquiry, we learned that one girl of 19 years old age has been found murdered by a person who has been living or in relationship for almost 5 months with her. So after the inquiry, the Nongpo police also managed to apprehend him in the Nongpo police station itself, and a case is being registered in this connection, and further investigation is on. So in this regard, I would also like to suggest that the police department is taking all necessary actions to ensure that crime against women and children are reduced, and also we would directly like to say that we are collaborating with the local village authorities also in this connection.